So today, remember in my last video, I said I was gonna bring this bad boy out to see if I could shoot better than the other Nerf gun. And if you forgot my name, it's Habo. Comment below if this gun's better than the other one. This dot got jammed. Smush it out. That's it. That's garbage. This is why you never want to do that. So, what you want to do, on the hill like that, and you want to shoot. I'm going to shoot it in the air and see if it could land. It doesn't go behind. That, and well. Oh, let's see. But shoot just the top off. Oh, dang. Or I got H back. Peace out. Smash that like button.